Hi friends, this is Vicki at my little Colorado cottage. Today I'm just going to do a last go through of my patriotic decor that I put out for summer. I've added a few of the thrifted finds that I got at yard sales this past month or two, and so I hope you enjoy or get some inspiration for next year. Okay, here we go. My living room. Um, Of course, some of these items I've thrifted this summer. The little child cup on a trip about 100 miles away, a weekend trip. I've added a couple of this traveler's little cup. The little star up there is a yard sale find many years ago. Over on my hutch top, I've added, remember those wooden picture frames, oval picture frames. I'm just real excited about that. A silver platter. Of course, my collection of ball canning jars, and I call them tackle boxes. But there's that president plate, and just a couple of little DIY blocks of wood with freedom on it, a collection of vintage marbles. I'll get a closer look up. Okay, here's a little better look. Had to get my ladder out to show you how my top of my hutch looks for the summer. Then I have another shelf down here where I usually keep all of my green glass bottles and whatnot. Just added, a little bit more silver plate and pewter with the red, white, and blue. And of course, my collections of hens and roosters. Over on this other side is another little vignette, that cute little red truck I found in the toy section at our local thrift store. I just thought it was kind of cute. I know it's, not that vintage, but I think it does the job. Of course, some more DIY little stars. A few of my milk glass vases. And then on this last shelf, get down off the ladder. A lot of this is stayed the same. I did make this little America the Beautiful. I guess it was last year maybe, I picked up a book of Americana songs, and this was the one I chose to display this year. One more shot of my salt and pepper shaker cabinet, and this is what I've done up here on top. Just a couple of new salt and pepper shakers that I thrifted this summer, and a toothpick holder. Really excited about that. Here's this Brigham Young salt and pepper shaker, and this little copper telephone. I'm guessing it's a paperweight. Okay, and here on top of my cabinets in my kitchen, my collection is starting to get pretty large. There's a couple of, they're kind of rolling pin mashers, I think, that I picked up. Of course, I was so excited when I got the Aunt Jemima syrup jar in this little maple syrup container. And of course here was another of my thrift hauls, a souvenir Nebraska creamer. And of course along just some other things that I've been collecting over the years. Okay, so here is that grater that I found a couple weeks ago. Of course the crispy cracker tin I found in March when I was out visiting my daughter and new little grandbaby son. Here's a couple more things that I've picked up this summer. These little brown jug salt and pepper shakers. And I've added to the little custard cups. And this little funnel. Funny story, I went to one when I was in big town, Grand Junction. Went to one store, bought one of these funnels, and then went to the next store, bought another one. Okay, had to move the ladder so I could get up here and show you. This is the other side of my kitchen. It's not real big, but I sure am collecting. I just love all of my new treasures. There's my cookie collection there. Bring you on over. I don't know that I've shown a lot of this, but and then there's my rolling pin collection. I've got about 4, maybe 5. Okay, over in this corner of my kitchen, I've showed this several times. I kind of had it up for Memorial Day. I've changed it a little bit. Added those 2 little books that I just recently picked up at a yard sale, and this kind of flag looking oil lamp and the nut chopper were all purchased this summer. Give you a white out and a couple of flags that my grandkids made for us. Got to keep that kind of work up. Last spot in my living room I forgot was this little painted shelf that my mother painted the flowers on. And I just kind of changed it up just a bit from June. Left the rooster picture, added the flags and stars. Okay, now we'll go down into the family room. Alright, here we are in the family room. I'm here at the fireplace mantle. It's still kind of a working in progress. We would like to get a kind of a formal mantle piece, but you know, this is what we have for now. So some of the new things here are of course these extra, I guess they're just legal size clipboards that I have thrifted. This new tobacco tin. The star is a DIY. I did a couple years ago, mainly for Christmas, and thought, oh, this would be cool for my patriotic. The little basket has some cookie cutters, and of course my DIY stars and a little banner. Here's another one of the prints that I got off of Pinterest. a silver plate tray, my big gallon or gallon and a half juice bottles. And then I bring out my rag jean garland, and I still love the black and white checks, so you'll see that in my decor. Bigger shot. Okay, and here in the family room, my little red shelves. Just a lot of thrifted goodness. There's a couple of cigar boxes. I do collect those. Okay. I want to thank you for stopping by my channel and checking out my patriotic decor for my summer. Please check back in a couple of weeks. I'm hoping to get some of my late summer items out. Like I said, I like to tone it down, take the reds out, put in yellow, black. I don't know, I may keep some of the blue. We'll just have to wait and see. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment on something that maybe inspired you, or maybe that I can do better making my videos, and have a great day. All right, bye-bye.